Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video for changing out the transfer case fluid on my 79 Bronco. This has the NP205 transfer case, which is part-time four-wheel drive, meaning it has the locking hubs to engage it in four-wheel drive. Now if you don't have locking hubs, then you probably have the NP203 transfer case, which is full-time four-wheel drive, and it actually requires motor oil. You're going to take 80-90 gear oil for the part-time four-wheel drive, and it's pretty easy. Let's go ahead and crack it open and drain it down, and then fill it back up. And I'm posting weekly videos for you guys on my 79 Bronco and 2015 F-150, so please subscribe to the channel to follow along. And as always, I've included links to all the products and tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get into it.
All right, so this is your drain plug, and this is your fill plug. Here's the casting number, so if you want to find out exactly where yours came from or when it was built and produced. But I always like to crack the fill plug first just to make sure I can get it off, and when you get the bottom one out, then it has much better flow. Definitely got a foul smell to it. It really doesn't look too bad. Looks fairly clean. First time I've ever changed it. Coming up on a year of ownership.
Ooh, that's dirty. I'm thinking it was about a quart low.
Thank you for watching my how-to video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash on that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And don't forget, I've included links to all the products and tools I used today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Thanks for watching.